A while back I had some work holding issues while making the 4-way boring bar holder for my Chinese lathe. That got me some explicit comments regarding safety and best practices. Next I'm going to make what I'm calling a 4-barrel revolving boring bar holder for my old lathe. And it involves a lot of drilling into this block of steel. So it's about time I made a clamp for my cheapo drill press. The first thing I need to come up with is some bolts that fit into the slots here without turning. These are pretty good, but unfortunately they're only threaded up till here, and I can't extend the thread because it is imperial and I don't have a die for it, but I should be able to modify them. Perhaps a bit too much play on the drill press quill. Well, that wasn't pretty, but it's got the job done, so why complain? I think I'm ready to find out if my safety creation works. I actually went to the store to buy a few of these wing nuts because I want to make it as easy as possible to install this thing, because I know myself, If I have to go look for a spanner, I won't use it. At first I was going to just drill a hole in this plate, but then I got worried that the hole might fill up with chips, so I changed the design a bit. Besides, this way you can keep a closer look at where the action is. Well, there is not more I can show you. It works. Now I gotta use it. But knowing myself, I'll probably be too lazy to set it up most of the time. Well, that's it for me. To be continued if I keep all my fingers.